okay?
Yeah, I'm hurting, but I'm all right.
All right. What's hurting? How old are you?
I'm 56. My right shoulder in the back is what I landed on. My arm, that's killing me. Oh.
56-year-old male, shoulder injury, cut to his forehead.
You need my license?
Stand by. 10-4. So what happened?
The guy slammed his brakes on in front of me. I tried to stop and the bike went up. I couldn't stop, so I tried to turn. The bike went all down on me.
So no one else involved, just you?
No, yeah.
I just pulled over to help him out.
Okay. So you just locked up the brakes and
Right.
lost
I should
control?
have let him go to go around the guy. I didn't, so once I turned, the bike went over.
Yeah, for 1610. Yes, just want to be advised. It's going to be for shoulder injury, abrasion.
How you doing, all right?
Yeah.
All right.
Just my shoulder's killing me. Oh. Jesus. Well, so much for a nice ride today, huh?
You got to hold that clutch. Hold the clutch in on the left. There you go.